Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I'm Miss Anupama. So dear, all today in this session we are going to learn about English grammar, the basic English grammar, and the topic is very interesting, okay? So dear guys, in my previous videos I started the series of English grammar, okay? We are going to continue that only, and today in this session we are going to cover a very beautiful topic, okay? A basic of English grammar, okay? And that is pronouns, personal pronoun. So friends, we do not use the names of persons, animals and places repeatedly. It will be a little odd to repeat the same thing, same name, same things again and again. Okay, it sounds little odd. So in the place of noun, we can refer or we can use another word, substitute of that word we can use, okay, in that place, okay. So that is pronoun. The word which we can use in the place of a noun is a pronoun. So now what is pronoun? So pronoun refers, a pronoun is a word which used instead of a noun. In the place of a noun, we can replace pronoun. So basically, my dear friends, okay, there are a total 7 kinds of pronouns are in English language, okay. The first one, the very first one is the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, as you know, personal, okay, persons, okay. Here one chart is given to you to understand very clearly, okay. So please just listen carefully and try to understand it. So personal pronoun we are going to learn, and pronoun. So pronoun refers to 3 persons, okay. That is the first person, second person and the third person, okay. So now the first person, here singular pronoun and the plural pronoun. So in the first person means who? First person is the person who is speaking, okay. The person, a speaker, is I, okay. Singular, in a singular pronoun we use I only, but in plural pronoun we use we, okay. We, the first person. Now the second stage, that is second person, is you. Singular is you, and here plural form is also you. There is no difference in singular and plural form, okay. The same thing we can use. And the third person is he, she and it. He, she and it. It comes under singular pronoun, okay. We can use he, she, it in a singular pronoun, and in a plural pronoun we can use as they, okay. So they is a plural form of pronoun, okay. We can use they. Now here first person, as I told you that he is a speaker, okay. He is speaking, and the second person is the person who's spoken, okay, who is been spoken. Now we'll just go through with some examples, so you'll be able to understand it very clearly, okay. Guys, now let's start with the examples, okay. Now for example, here first one is given to you as that man has a mustache, okay. Now here man is a noun. What is this? Man is a noun, okay. That man has a mustache, okay. So in the place of a noun we replaced pronoun he. So he is a pronoun, okay. So he has a mustache. He has a mustache. So in the place of noun we used pronoun. So he has a mustache. Now just see here these words. The words like me, you, her, him, us, them are also personal pronoun. Okay, for example, now you can see here the salesman happily sold the robot to the man and the woman, okay. The robo, okay, sold the robo. Sold the robo is the telling part of the sentence. Sold the robo is the telling part of the sentence, and here noun is man and women, okay. Man and women. Now we'll just replace this sentence in the pronoun form, okay. So now just have a look here. The salesman happily sold the robot to them. So in the sentence what is given for us, that is the salesman happily sold the robot to man and woman, okay. So in the place of man and women we used them. So pronoun is them, okay. So the pronoun you and it, okay, especially you and it can be used anywhere in a sentence. Okay, just keep this in your mind. Okay, so the pronouns, okay, the pronouns like you and it is also pronoun. So it is used anywhere, it is used anywhere in a sentences. So you is used as singular also and plural also. Okay, there is no difference in that. Okay, so it is used for animals, especially it is used for animals and inanimated things. Okay, inanimated things you can use it. Got it? So my dear friends, you just go through with this all the points which I just explained you, and you can revise all the previous videos also, so you can be connected with all the parts of speech. And please do like, share, subscribe and tap that bell icon so that you'll be getting the notification of my upcoming releases. Stay at home, eat healthy, and be positive and keep smiling. See you in the next video.